station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Brazoria County, northwestern Galveston County, and Harris County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Possible impacts include flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Again, a flash flood warning for northeastern Brazoria County, northwestern Galveston County, and Harris County until 8:30 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Remember when news